Christmas is festival of Christians. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December all across the world. On this day, Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Jesus Christ gave message of love and peace to the world. People visit church and offer prayers and sing carols. People decorate their home and display Christmas tree. Christmas tree is decorated with bells, ribbons, gifts and a star. People exchange gifts with family and friends. People enjoy Christmas feast with traditional cakes. Children believe that Santa Claus will bring chocolate and gifts for them. This belief is associated with Saint Nicholas. Christmas is festival of joy. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas.